Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala, I'm SEBI certified research analyst. This video I'm going to share you the candlesticks patterns which we are seeing on our last videos, and we are making a lot of videos about candlesticks patterns and the reversal and everything we are doing right now. So here also I'm going to talk about the single candlesticks pattern which we have already seen our previous lessons, that are doji candles, dragonfly doji and gravestone doji. Everything we have seen on the single candlesticks pattern. And again this video again we are going to see another type of single candlestick pattern. So based on this candlestick pattern we are going to find out whether the trend is going on or trend going to be reverse. So based on these candles we are going to analyze. So we know that basic of single candlesticks patterns like doji. With the types of doji we have seen on our last session as the video, and this video we are going to see the umbrella group of candles. The umbrella group of candles, it is a new word, so that is the same thing only. So you will understand what will that. And before that, anyone who new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional kind of trading strategy. So this is the thing which we are going to do for a time being, right? So we have the other strategies to trade on options and everything we are doing on our one way. The umbrella group of candles is also called a single candlesticks pattern. So here what we are going to learn right now, the umbrella group. Okay, the umbrella group of candles we are going to learn here. So what is the type of umbrella group of candles? It is like a hanging man or inverted hammer or hammer. So that kind of candles are called as umbrella candle. So umbrella group of candle. So what we are going to do that. So the first one is white hammer or hanging man, are also called white umbrella candle. So this candle you already seen, the candlesticks patterns you already seen. What is the pattern? So here let's move on that. Yeah, the candlesticks which forms like this. This is called white hammer. White hammer. So where we use this strategy, or this candle single candle reversal or continuation pattern. This is also be another candle. Here we don't see any wick. Here we see wick. This is the white hammer, or we normally say hanging man. Hanging man, or so white umbrella candle, white hammer or white umbrella candle. So this is the umbrella group. This is the single candlesticks pattern which happen most of the times in a most of the reversal time it will happen, and it's a single candlesticks pattern which we can use for a our trend reversal patterns, everything we can do that. And second thing which we are going to understand, that is called hanging man or black hammer. So here are the color which we mentioned, the red color. So same like that, the hammer which is forms in red color, that is a black in candle. So here it's having the wick with the wick. Okay, so both are same. So black hammer. So here previous we seen that white hammer, here black hammer, the like a hammer like the patterns. And hanging man, also called black umbrella candle. Black umbrella. So this is called umbrella, black umbrella candle. Okay, these are the two candles which forms at the top of the trend or bottom of the trend, which will know how to market reversed. And another pattern with the same inverted hammers. So inverted hammer also single candle pattern which we can use for predicting the direction or reversal. Sorry, what happened? So I think let's do that. So this kind of thing, yeah, this kind of thing which happen in the trend, and also the same thing will happen in the bottom with the wicks, with the wick. So that extend the low, the close here, the close and close price and the open price are same. Here little bit lower than and it closed above. So here this candle white inverted hammer. So here white inverted hammer, because it is inverted like these two as are inverted, same thing, inverted hammer. Okay, these two are inverted, and black inverted hammer also there. So that is looks like this one. So these single candlesticks patterns are very more powerful. This is what black inverted hammer, or we call it a shooting star. Here we called this called as a white inverted hammer or shooting star. This is also be called shooting star. So this kind of candlesticks patterns we have another important while we are focusing the trend reversal or continuation patterns. So these particular candles which always give you the reliable trend reversal. So using this candle, it gives you potential bullish or bearish signal. So where the trend is going to be on or where the trend is reversed. So how we effectively use this candlesticks pattern, that we are going to see on the next videos. But the basic single candles after the doji. So what we have seen our previous lesson, doji. So we have 4 priced doji and long legged doji and dragonfly and this one dragonfly doji and another doji which is I forgot the name, Gravestone doji and dragonfly doji. Okay, so this is also be the single candlesticks pattern where we can use the trend reversal or trend continuation. So doji patterns, and next one is we are going to see the hammer patterns. So here that will be 4 kind of hammers, that is also be called as umbrella group of candles. Using this candle, so how we are going to find out the trend reversal or what will happen, whether the trend going to continue or the trend will reverse, everything we are going to see on based on this single candlestick. We have another patterns, double candlestick and triple candlestick and even multiple candlestick patterns also there, but we are seeing one by one. Now we are seeing the single candlesticks pattern, which gives you more reliable and reliable trending signal or continuation, whatever you want. So you can, so for example, any stocks which we can check is there formation, if it is forms. So a lot of stocks which forms, because the Gravestone doji and the dragonfly doji we are finding out on a stock, it's quite difficult, but this kind of doji will happen always most of the times. So let's see. This is the bank nifty hourly chart. So the bank nifty index, the spot price, it is hourly chart. So where are how many times this kind of candlesticks pattern. So here you can see the candlesticks pattern which is formed. That candlestick is called simply the shooting star. Here this particular candle is a shooting star. So how market react reversed from previously, market is started from 17,000 and it keeps going up and reaching by 20,000. So almost 3,000 point increased. So using the single candlesticks pattern where I got a reversal, so this alone standalone it is reversing and again market comes to the same level of 17,000. Okay, 17,300, and you see that there will be 300 points reversal which will happen at highest level. And this candlestick indicator, it's a leading indicator, it's not a lagging indicator. You can find out the reversal in the top of the zone or top of the market or bottom of the market. So you can find out this kind of reversal either in the highest level as well as lowest level. So this is the shooting star or inverted hammer, black inverted hammer, which forms an highest level about the bank nifty, which gives the reversal, and finally market is fall. And again you can see there will be another pattern. Here you can see the inverted hammer or black inverted hammer or shooting star. What are the name it called? So what are the name which you like it, you can use it. The name it called black inverted hammer or shooting star, or called inverted black umbrella candle. So here it happened 2 times, and 2 times also the biggest rally happened in the market. So I think my internet go disconnect and connect again. So that is the problem, and anywhere the same thing will happen. So let's check it out in the bottom and top of the market. So here we can see there will be a candle which is a hammer and a shooting star. So here what is that? White inverted hammer. Here you see that there will be a white inverted hammer. So it is not a what we have seen our previous thing. So white inverted hammer. So this kind of candlesticks pattern, this one is forming on this particular area. So it gives you generative value around 30,000. From there market is fallen down, and again here it forms two times. It forms a here white inverted hammer, here inverted that red, it called that black hammer. Okay, black hammer. So here both the candle which forms consecutively, then what will happen in the trade? So how we effectively use everything, we will go and analysis on the next videos. But you have to understand what are the things which is to understand. One is white inverted hammer, that is a single candle with a wick or without wick, so that is hammer, and it's a, and also the same will reversed, that is white inverted hammer. Here black hammer and black inverted hammer are shooting star, both are shooting star. Here invested to shooting star. So here this is the candlestick pattern which we can use for our trend reversal or trend continuation pattern. So how we can use effectively this system, so that we are going to explain on our next videos. And thanks for being with me, and thanks for this video, and watch this video. If you have any other doubt, you can comment on the comment box, and we can make a new videos. Or if you want to contact me, you can contact me, the number provided in the description. You can also directly contact the same number. And if anyone interested to learn my paid strategy of options, advanced option trading strategy, you can also contact. And to open a trading account, you are all welcome to open a trading account with me. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.